Good morning. I'm going on a coffee with two of my friends. They're also real estate agents. After that, we have a couple appointments and we'll see how the day goes. We just had a coffee and two of my buddies, they're also realtors, so we were just talking deals. It's nice to have friends in the same field as you because you guys can relate to each other and then you can talk business, of course. Right now I'm going home because I forgot my laptop and I need to activate one listing. Alright, so I activated the listing in my house and now we are going to take pictures at one of my upcoming listings. It's a double, it's maybe 30 minutes away from me. We are going to list at 135 and the property brings 1,600 a month in rent. Wonderful tenants, it's a wonderful property. See you there. They're taking pictures. Here's a property management company to make sure we get the access. It's a really nice double. And this is the access to the second unit. It's not bad. The numbers make sense, honestly. Let's see the back. Okay. We can make it work. And it has a slate roof. These ones, their lifespan is much longer than shingle. All done. Upstairs, downstairs, and the basement. So we should go live on the market tomorrow, hopefully. The seller, she just needs to send me all the leases and the rent information and all the updates. And then we can go live. So when you're selling investment properties like this, you're looking not to disturb tenants so much. That's why we did a lot of photos so everything can be shown on those photos and potential investors can buy that. So right now I'm going to see the upcoming listing that I have and to see what's the progress. We are supposed to be listing next week, so we will see what's up. So I've been sick for 2 months almost. I went back to Europe maybe like 2 weeks ago and I'm still sick. I think honestly it's because the weather sucks in Ohio. It's like snow and then it's sunny, but then there you have wind and the air is so dry. And it's really bothering me. Alright, so this is going to be done in 5 days. They bought this house for 65,000. It was burned down basically. They're waiting for carpets here. It doesn't have a garage, but that's okay. They did a nice job. We're gonna list this 165, I think. Let's. I ate, I changed, and we are going to see one house and they have a deadline today at 6 p.m. for all the offers. It's a really good potential, but we don't know what's inside until we see. As I read, they had the fire in the basement, so I'm curious to see how that is going to look. Here I am just waiting for my clients to show up, but I'm gonna go and open the door to see what we are dealing with here. It has a nice curb appeal. See, very nice curb appeal. Driveway is not bad. We see some smoke damage here. Let's take a look inside. I have a feeling I'm gonna smell like smoke when I come out, and I probably will. So as you go up, it shouldn't be that bad because the fire broke out in the basement, as they said. So here, oh, this is kind of cute. So let's go to the basement. So this, it seems like here the fire broke out. Here. So they have, okay, 4 bathroom. And this is the main stack, utility room. See some water over there, not sure where is it coming from. Probably from the laundry drain. Smells so bad. It's so bad inside. Anyhow, so I had to make a couple conversations. I have 6 deals under contract, and each one of those has something going on. So I have to make 4 calls just to get everything, to keep everything moving. One has appraisal issue, one has inspection issue, one we need to replace the whole well and whole septic system. So it's very interesting doing all these deals together, and each one of those has an issue that needs to be solved. Now I'm going to meet the appraisal at one of my listings that's under contract, and we are supposed to close next week. So let's go. It's a fully remodeled house. It's a beautiful house. As you can see, they even staged it. So double sink, gorgeous house. So every time the house has the appraisal, I like to meet them face to face and to show them the comps and everything. And I usually give them the list of updates as well. So yesterday my day was interrupted by personal reasons. So you're actually watching it 2 days in my life, but it's like half of this day and half of days today. So the house that I showed yesterday, we didn't win the house. It went under contract before the offer deadline, which is weird. They couldn't wait to see what offer that we had to send them. Now I'm showing a house basically a street away. Also could be a great flip or could be a great rental, depends what route you wanna go. So let's take a quick look. So I don't like this trees. Interesting. Old windows. Look at this bad boy. This is in terrible condition as well. Needs to be taken down probably. They're asking for too much money for this one. It's been on the market for like 30 days, so they probably don't want to accept any lowball offers, but this is not worth 139 in this area. This is quite cool. I'm all done. So I was in sauna for like 10 minutes, 15 minutes. I took a shower, I had my protein shake, and now I'm gonna grab a Chick-fil-A. I have a craving, and after that my friend asked me to grab a drink, but the weather is pretty bad, so I'll see if I'm gonna go. Next time I will probably have, I'll have somebody else doing these vlogs for me, like have somebody else follow me throughout the day, because honestly I forget so much stuff. I forget that I'm making a vlog. The whole purpose of the vlog is for you guys to see how my day looks like and how does it look selling like 40-50 houses a year.
Anything else with that?
That's all for today. So I'm gonna go home to eat this. And now ending the night with the light walk. This is my buddy Z, you may know him from some videos.
What's up, guys?
We did together. All right, take care.